Familiar to you? As a successful 3D printing company, you are facing rapid growth in volume as well as in differentiation. Handling high mix and high volume goes smoothly in the first stages. The designs of your customers flow as vast amounts of bits and bytes through your pre-production department into your industrial printers. But after 3D printing, the digital flow comes to an abrupt end and switches back to the analog age. Especially all the manual sorting doesn't scale at all. Labor costs increase exponentially, space becomes a big problem, working conditions get poor, and people start making mistakes. The AM Vision is your automated sorter solving these problems. It's highly accurate, tailored to your specific environment, identifies from 200 to a staggering 10,000 parts a day, cuts labor costs by 80%, and has an immediate ROI via our pay-as-you-grow program. The AM Vision is the next step in real end-to-end digital manufacturing.